Hello, in this video I want to show you how to clean the sensors on Shark RV2001. And to do this, first let me show you what I'll be using to clean the sensors. I have the microfiber cloth, microfiber wipe, never mind, and also the alcohol glass cleaner spray. And first just spray the wipe with that cleaner and also make sure that it's properly spread out across all the space that you're gonna use to clean it. And then we can take a look on the robot and find all of the sensors. First sensor is located right here and right here. Then we can use the wipe and simply clean it like that. Then another sensors can be found underneath our robot, and one is right here, then another one on the left side and one on the right side as well. We're gonna use the same thing, just try to be careful not to damage anything. Gently just rub it on the sensors. And that is it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.